Hi friends, I am Shiva. In this session, we will learn implicity cursor. So this simplicity cursor, by using this simplicity cursor, it will return a single record. It will return a single record. So it is called a implicity cursor. This implicity cursor memory area is called context area. The implicity cursor memory area is also called context area. So we see implicity cursor attributes. We have here four attributes in the implicity cursor. First one is SQL percentage not found, SQL percentage found, SQL percentage row count, SQL percentage is open. These are the four attributes in the implicity cursor. So by using the implicity cursor, we don't want to declare the cursor, we don't want to open the cursor, we don't want to fetch the data from the cursor memory area, we don't want to exit from the cursor, we don't want to close the cursor. These things are internally will happen while we are using the implicity cursor. See, you have to observe in this example for implicity cursor. Declare, in the declaration I declare two variables. Variable 1 is p underscore ename varchar 2 data type and size 10. P underscore shall data type variable name, data type number and size 10. Now I am using here in the begin session we are using select into class. In that select into class I used select ename shall into p underscore ename and p underscore shall. The ename value will be storing into in this p underscore ename. The shall value will be storing into p underscore shall from emp1 table as per this condition where emp number equal to %emp number. Then if you want to know the value is available or not in the created PLSQL variables, I am using this statement dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. So I am using the p underscore ename come p underscore shall. Then whatever the values are available in this created PLSQL variables, then the values are displaying in the PLSQL environment by using this statement. See here, when we are using this select into class, it will return a single record at a time. It will not able to return a multiple records. Okay, while we are using the implicity cursor. In the implicity cursor, while we are using select into class, at the session of executable session, it will return a single record, but it will not return a multiple records by using select into class. So now if you want to return a multiple records, then the moment we should have a pure DML statement. If you use the pure DML statements, then it will return a multiple records, but that multiple records are at a time executed by using the SQL engine. Okay, now other thing is, while we are using this implicity cursor in the program, internally it will declare the implicity cursor, open the implicity cursor, fetch the data from the implicity cursor and storing into created PLSQL variables, and exit from the cursor automatically, then close the cursor. These things are internally will happen while we are using the implicit cursor. Now other thing is, by using the implicit cursor we cannot able to handle the as a individual records in the implicit cursor memory area. Okay, so these things are will happen while we are using the implicit cursor. So I am trying to executing the same program. So then what will happen, the output will be getting or not, we'll see as a practically. Now see, so now the same program, I'm copy the same program, go to our tool, now paste here. Now see, I'm enter the runtime value here 7788. Hey, this 7788 here, yeah, asking 7788. Now I'm this 7788 allocating to in this area. As per this employee ID, the values are retrieving from this column ename and salary and storing into the ename value will be storing into p underscore ename PLSQL variable. The salary value will be storing into p underscore shal. Then if you want to know for the confirmation the values are available or not for the created the PLSQL variables, I am using this dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. I am using this one. By using this one, whatever the created the PLSQL variable, that variable name I am using here, the p underscore ename comma p underscore shal. Now I am enter here. So now displayed the suitable the 7788 employee name Scott and salary will be 4500. Now data will be displayed. This data will be how the data will be getting internally while this entirely this program is implemented by using the implicit cursor. So internally this implicit cursor create the cursor memory area. In that cursor memory area, retrieve the data from the database table and storing into implicit cursor memory area, then retrieving and storing into created PLSQL variables. And if you want to know for the confirmation data is available or not for the created the PLSQL variable, I am using the same variable's name here. Then data will be displayed. Okay, now automatically fetch the data, then exit from the cursor memory area and close the cursor. These things are internally will happen while we are using the implicit cursor. Now, by using the select into class in the executable section of the PLSQL block, it will return only the single record. It will not generate a multiple records. It will not generate a multiple records. So when it will be generate the multiple records, when we are using at the executable section of the PLSQL block, in that block while we are using the pure DML statements, then only it will return a multiple records. Okay, that multiple records at a time will be execute, then return the output. Okay, but here it will not handle the individual records in the implicit cursor. If you want to handle the individual record, we should go for the explicit cursor. Okay, this is the use of the implicit cursor. See here, so we are already executed this program. So let's we go for this program example for implicit cursor. So same program I am executing in this. Okay, same program executing in this. So before that one, see here, this is a begin statement. In the begin statement, I am deleting the record here by using this SQL statement. Okay, this is the SQL statement. So delete from emp1 table where ename equal to welcome. So this welcome value is not available in the emp1 table. Okay, you have to confirm for that. Same thing, then copy, enter here. So what? Now see here, welcome. So now see here, delete from emp1 where ename equal to welcome. The welcome value is not available in the emp table. So that it will generate a 0 rows are deleted. There is no welcome value in the ename column. Okay. Now I am same program, the same query written in the same program written in the PLSQL programs. I am try to executing this program. Then what will happen? You have to see. Paste here. So see here, PLSQL procedure successfully is completed, but there is no record. You already seen in the above session. You are already seen there is no record. 0 records are deleted. But here successfully completed. But we don't know whether the record is available or not. Usually we don't know while we are writing this program. We don't know the welcome value is available or not in the ename column from the emp1 table. If you want to know for the confirmation the record is deleted or not, then what we will do? We have to go for the this implicit cursor attributes. So by using these attributes, we will know record is available or not, record is deleted or not from the cursor implicit cursor memory area. Okay, if you want to know for that, you have to use these attributes. Okay, these attributes internally will happen, internally will created. Okay, these attributes are handled by Oracle. So as a Oracle developers will not able to handle these attributes. These attributes are handled by Oracle developers. So these attributes are handled by handled by Oracle server. Okay, so if you want to know the record is available or not in the cursor implicit cursor memory area. So if you want to know, we have to follow these attributes. So I am using these attributes, you have to see. So now solution using implicit cursor attributes. Now you have to observe in this program. In the begin session, delete from emp1 table where ename welcome value. Now I am using the if condition. If SQL percentage found, then if SQL is percentage found, now see SQL percentage found, this is written is in the implicit cursor memory area. The record is found from the implicit cursor memory area. It will return a true. So we did not able to find the record from the implicit cursor memory area. It will return a false. So then the record is available. Then what will happen? By using this statement, your record is deleted. Okay, the record is available in the implicit cursor memory area. The record will be deleted. Then the message will be getting your record deleted. Okay. Now same has. So now I used if. Then I used here and if. So another if statement I used here. So see here, if SQL percentage not found, then what happened? By using this statement, what is written means in the implicit cursor memory area, if the record is found, it will raise. By using this statement, it will return a true. If the record is not found, in the cursor memory, in the implicit cursor memory area, so it will return a true, or else it will return a false. The record is not available, then it will return a true. So then the message should display your record is not exist. The message will be should display. So by using these attributes, we will find the record is available in the implicit cursor memory area. It will return this message. The record is not available, so then it will return this message. Okay. Now I am trying to executing this program. We'll see the record is available or not. So in the previously we executed this program. Program will be successfully executed, but we don't know, we are unable to find the record is deleted or not. So for that, the same program I am copy this one, go to our tool and paste here. Now see here. So now the message will be getting. So see here, delete from emp1 where ename equal to welcome. So record is found in the implicit cursor memory area. So you should display this one. If the record is found and deleted, then should display this message. the record is unable to found, not found, then this message should generate. So now this message will be getting. See here, your record does not exist. The same message will be getting, in the sense your record is not available in the implicit cursor memory area. Okay, these are the attributes. These are the attributes we learn implicit cursor. We learn implicit cursor attributes. First one is SQL percentage not found, SQL percentage found. Now we are learning for that SQL percentage row count. Now see for that, using SQL percentage row count in implicit cursor. So for that I used this program for using on that. Update emp1 set equal to shall plus 300, where department number equal to 10. So see here, whoever the employees are working under in the department number is 10, that employee salary will be salary plus 300 should increase. So that is a program, that is the SQL query I written here. Okay, so now the successfully completed. How many rows are affected on the base table? I want to know the count. I want to know the row count. So for that I am using SQL percentage row count. So for that I use dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Now see, affected number of records. How many records are affected by using this SQL query? So that number of count I should generate in the PL/SQL environment. For that I am using here SQL percentage row count. But this query entirely how many records are affected, those number of records are at a time execute by using the SQL engine. That count will be written by that count will be written into SQL percentage row count. So by using this row count, SQL percentage row count, the count will be displaying on the PL/SQL environment. So that for the confirmation, the same program I am copy, I am try to. So now I am go to our environment and paste here. Now see here. So now affected number of records 3. So see here. So in the department 10, how many rows are affected? 3 rows. These 3 rows at a time will be execute, at a time will be updated by using the SQL engine. The count will be written. The count will be returning by using SQL percentage row count. This internally will happen while we are using implicit cursor. So in that implicit cursor we are using this attribute that will be written a count. Now see, so this SQL percentage found, this SQL percentage found and SQL percentage not found, SQL percentage found, these two are written whether true or false. Now the SQL percentage row count, this is written a how many number of records are affected, that entire records count will be written finally. So this only written a numbers. Now see, go to here, the SQL percentage is open. This attribute is always written a false. So now this is the implicit cursor used in the PL/SQL programs. Okay, in the next session we will learn exceptions. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share, likes and comments.